We are going to start working on the attack behavior for the enemy very soon. But first, in this lecture, let's set up the attack animation for the enemy. Let's go open the enemy animation blueprint. Go back to the animation graph. This is where we connect the locomotion state machine to the output node. In between, we want to add an override slot. Then connect it to the output. We can completely override the current animation on the enemy using this node. Let's look at the details panel on the right. We can see the slot name is default slot. This is the name that we need to use when we try to override the animation with this node, but there is no need to memorize this name. I'm just pointing out this feature so you understand how it works. Alright, let's compile and go to the enemy blueprint. We're in the patrol function here. Let's go back to the event graph. Let's create a custom event here for the attack. Right-click and search for Add Custom Event. Let's call it Attack. We want to test the override slot we just added to the animation blueprint. Let's drag in the animation component. Then we get the animation instance, which should be the actual animation blueprint. Then we can call the Play Animation Override function on it. Connect the attack event to this function. Notice that we have a slot name here, and this is the default name, which is the same as the default name in the override slot. But if you decide to use a different slot name, then you need to make sure the names match. Next, let's select an animation. I'm going to set the animation to enemy attack. Alright, so now when the attack event happens, the animation of the enemy is going to be overwritten, and it's only going to play the attack animation. Let's test by calling the attack event when the game starts. Alright, now let's test the game. Great, the attack animation plays once the game starts. Let's remove the call of the attack event here, since we have finished the test. And that's all for this lecture. Let me save everything and wrap up.